क्या बात है भाई क्या जोक मारा भाई मजा आ गया भाई मजा आ गया
Fake natties like Ishan, Thakur, Jeet, Sharma and Rohith Chauhan use a ton of gear smartly. One such anabolic androgenic steroid is PRIMO, and in short they call this drug PRIMO. It's a DHT-derived synthetic androgen sold as oral methanolone acetate aka PRIMO, and injectable methanolone enanthate aka primobolan depot. It has been used historically in the medical treatment of certain wasting diseases, anemias, and it is also used illicitly in the field of sports and bodybuilding. It was introduced for medical use in the early 1960s. The product history places clinical introduction in 1961 to 1962. The mechanism of action is freaking simple. It's an agonist of androgen receptor causing all the androgenic effects. It's also DHT derivative as I mentioned before, and it does not undergo significant aromatization to estrogen and causing all those estrogenic effects. Medical uses include treatment of refractory anemias, cancer trials, especially 1968 clinical trial on advanced breast cancer. Fake natties like Bhupendra Singh, Mihir Lifts and Prem Joshi commonly use this drug due to the following freaking reasons. It's a mild anabolic agent, it has low estrogenic activity, and it has relatively favorable hepatotoxicity profile. There is this one study that shows anabolic effects in scammer rats like Ishan and Rohith. Common side effects include HPG axis suppression, infertility, and also other generic roid side effects like cardiovascular and metabolic risk, mild hepatotoxicity, cancer, hepatic histological changes, etc. Spoiler alert, fake natties participating in fake natty shows like ICN and WNBF manipulate the half-life of these freaking drugs and then clear the goddamn drug test. Methanolone acetate, which is oral primobolan, has a half-life around 6 hours, whereas methanolone enanthate, which is injectable primobolan depot, has a half-life around 7 days. The real world range is around 7 to 10 days. But why the frickin' hell there is a range? It's because it depends on the frickin' injection site like shoulder or glutes and the depot release behavior. The drug reaches the steady levels in the frickin' body at around 4 to 5 half-lives, which is around 4 to 6 weeks. And the most important point, after the last methanolone enanthate injection, the hormone still remains in the frickin' body for around 3 to 4 weeks, and the complete clearance takes around 6 to 8 frickin' weeks. So when Rohith Chauhan got popped for halotestin, he literally considered only the half-life of the halotestin and not its frickin' clearance time, and that's why that dumb fool got caught in a natty drug test. So what basically happens is that the fake natties manipulate this data, the half-life of the drug and the clearance time of the frickin' drug, and they design a well-planned, amazing frickin' sawzall cycle. They take in all the frickin' drugs, they come off it, and then they go participate in the frickin' natty show and they clear the frickin' drug test. And what happens in the frickin' end? The real natties on creatine and whey protein or maybe a frickin' plant protein are the ones who are at loss. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out. Fake natties की माँ की चू।
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का, दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते